What's up mga Inkanto? It's your boy Steven, repping C-Tattoo Studio.
Yon, Steven Overdose in the house, repping C-Tattoo Studio. For today's project, Alibata lettering, our forgotten handwritten, erased by the Spanish colonization. And these Alibata words means padayon, a Visayan words na ang ibig sabihin in Tagalog is magpatuloy. And in English, to move forward, to continue on. And special credit sa original creator ng design na to. Ginawa niyang parang Japanese brush stroke yung written ng Alibata natin para may extra twist. And kagaya ng dati, outline muna, sabay lapat ng solid na shading para solid yung tattoo. And para sa lining natin, we use 5RL from Aurora, and for shading we use 11 round magnum from Yellow Dragonfly. And for finishing touch, ginamitan ulit natin siya ng 5RL para pointy yung dulo. And as usual, after the session, lilinisin natin yan using green soap, sabay lapat ng tattoo film para kahit tumambling si sir sa banyo habang naliligo, hindi mababasa ang kanyang tattoo. And for this piece, spend 1.5 hours for the whole session, half hour for the preparation, and 1 hour for the tattoo session. And isang malaking shoutout kay Boss Ryan Soriano. Once again, it's your boy A-Tech, repping C-Tattoo Studio. Peace out.
Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan. I need a girl like Kim.